Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The camera industry is on the verge of a major shakeup, and it might not be from the brands you expect. Rumors are swirling that DJI, the global leader in drone technology, is planning to launch its first ever mirrorless camera. But what's even more surprising is the speculation that Huawei could be involved in this ambitious move. If these reports hold any weight, we could be witnessing the beginning of a new era in digital photography. One that challenges the long-standing dominance of Japanese camera giants like Sony, Canon, and Nikon. DJI's expansion into the camera market. DJI is no stranger to high-end imaging technology. The company has already developed a strong foundation in camera innovation, primarily through its drone lineup and gimbal-stabilized cameras. Products like the DJI Ronin 4D and the Zenmuse X5 have showcased the brand's ability to develop advanced imaging systems. With their extensive expertise in stabilization, computational photography, and intelligent shooting modes, DJI is well positioned to take on the mirrorless market. Huawei's role in the potential partnership. Huawei's entry into the camera space isn't entirely new. Before facing trade restrictions from the US, Huawei was widely regarded as a leader in smartphone photography. The company's P-series and Mate series smartphones often outperformed competitors in low-light conditions, zoom capabilities, and AI-driven enhancements. Huawei's software-driven imaging solutions could play a crucial role in shaping a new breed of mirrorless cameras, potentially integrating advanced computational photography to enhance image quality, automatic scene detection, and real-time image enhancements. A game-changing collaboration? If DJI and Huawei were to collaborate, the potential result could be groundbreaking. Imagine a mirrorless camera equipped with Huawei's AI-driven computational photography and DJI's expertise in hardware and stabilization. The camera could feature real-time HDR, intelligent exposure adjustments, and seamless mobile app integration, bridging the gap between traditional cameras and the smart imaging capabilities of modern smartphones. DJI's technological edge. Unlike other Chinese brands that have struggled to break into the camera market, DJI has an advantage. The company is a member of both the Micro Four Thirds Group and the L-Mount Alliance, two major standards in the camera industry. This means DJI could easily integrate an existing lens ecosystem, allowing users to adopt their new camera without having to start from scratch with proprietary lenses. Another major advantage DJI holds is its ownership of Hasselblad. This acquisition gives DJI access to world-class expertise in color science, sensor technology, and optics. While it's unlikely that a DJI-Huawei collaboration would result in a Hasselblad-branded camera, the influence of Hasselblad's expertise would likely be reflected in the final product. Potential specifications of DJI's first mirrorless camera. Based on industry speculation, DJI's first mirrorless camera could be a full-frame L-mount system rather than an MFT camera. Full-frame sensors offer superior image quality, better low-light performance, and broader lens compatibility, making them a preferred choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. However, given DJI's history with smaller sensors, it's also possible that they could release an MFT option. A smaller sensor would allow for a more compact design, enhanced in-body stabilization, and improved portability, aligning with DJI's strengths in mobile and aerial photography. Some of the expected features include AI-powered image processing, real-time noise reduction, intelligent autofocus, and automatic exposure adjustments. Gimbal-integrated stabilization. Borrowing from DJI's expertise in drone and handheld gimbal technology. 8K video capabilities. As video content becomes more dominant, having high-resolution video recording will be a game-changer. Advanced connectivity. Seamless integration with smartphones and cloud storage for instant sharing and editing. Computational photography. Borrowing Huawei's AI algorithms to enhance sharpness, dynamic range, and detail. Long battery life. Optimized power efficiency to support extended shooting sessions. Challenges in breaking into the camera market. While DJI and Huawei have clear technological advantages, breaking into the mirrorless camera industry won't be easy. Established players like Sony, Canon, and Nikon have decades of brand loyalty, an extensive professional ecosystem, and a strong foothold in retail and distribution channels. Convincing photographers to switch from their trusted brands will require a combination of superior performance, aggressive pricing, and strong marketing. Another major challenge is the geopolitical landscape. Both DJI and Huawei have faced trade restrictions from the US government. Huawei was blacklisted in 2018, while DJI has been under scrutiny with Congress even considering banning its drones. These restrictions could limit their ability to sell their new camera in Western markets, significantly impacting potential sales and adoption. Potential impact on the Japanese camera industry. If DJI successfully enters the mirrorless camera market, it could pose a significant threat to Japanese camera manufacturers. The camera industry has already been facing declining sales due to the rise of smartphone photography. A new player offering an innovative, AI-driven, and possibly more affordable alternative could disrupt the market and force established brands to rethink their strategies. Additionally, Chinese manufacturers have been aggressively improving their imaging technology. With companies like Xiaomi and Vivo already making significant strides in computational photography, it's not far-fetched to think that DJI and Huawei could take things to the next level. If successful, this could mark the beginning of a new era where Chinese companies dominate an industry historically led by Japanese brands. Will DJI and Huawei change the photography landscape? The possibility of a DJI-Huawei collaboration in the mirrorless camera market is intriguing. If the rumors are true, this partnership could bring a fresh wave of innovation, combining cutting-edge computational photography with traditional camera ergonomics. The question remains, will professionals and enthusiasts be willing to make the switch? For now, all we can do is wait and see if these speculations materialize. But one thing is certain, the camera industry is evolving, and new players like DJI and Huawei could be at the forefront of this transformation. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development.